Hey girl, I'm so excited to share with you that the latest version of my signature 12-week program, Thrive, is out. You can grab it at bit.ly/thrive and train for life. As busy midlife moms, the reason you aren't seeing or feeling results is because you're not following a program that was made with you in mind. Thrive is a habit-based fitness program custom made for midlife moms. Now, the secret sauce is in the progressive overload, metabolic conditioning, and phasing every 4 weeks paired with habit coaching to ensure you stick with it. This is training for life. Now, the workouts in Thrive are results driven and time efficient. You can do them at home or the gym. All levels are welcome as I always provide modifications, and I even include some bonus habit hacking resources and accountability from me, like lifetime access. This includes updates every quarter to Thrive, my habit course that has helped hundreds of women make their habits stick, and a private podcast feed that I update every quarter as well, with habit hacks to address the challenges that come up in that season of life for us as midlife moms. Plus, you get exclusive texting to me for added accountability. So purchase Thrive now. I've made it super affordable and accessible inside of my app without a membership, and you grab lifetime access to all updates. Again, you can grab it at bit.ly/thrive and train for life. I can't wait to hear about the transformation that is finally going to happen for you. Okay, girl, let's get into the show. Hey there, welcome to Habit Hack Thursday, where I share a habit hack around fitness, mindset, or food freedom in order to help you train for life and make your health a lifestyle. No dieting around here. So let's go. Hey girl, welcome to Habit Hack Thursday. I'm so excited about today's episode. We're revisiting one of my favorite ways to meal prep, and that is via ingredient meals. Like, this is going to save you so much time and have healthy meals ready to go. So, what are ingredient meals? So instead of prepping like full meals, following a recipe and putting it in the little meal prep containers that you're doing this and this and that, you prep just pretty versatile ingredients ahead of time. So think proteins, as always, leading with majority proteins, veggies, rice, sauces, mix and match them later on throughout the week, right? It's kind of like you build your own meal kit system in your own fridge, right? So this really works, especially for us busy working midlife moms, because it provides a lot more flexibility, right? You can mix and match your ingredients based on your cravings or what you have left over. It saves you time. You cook once, assemble meals in like 10 minutes or less, which is great. And it gives you a lot more variety, right? You're able to avoid food boredom with different combos, flavors, and it just makes that decision fatigue plummet some more, right? You just assemble from what's ready to go. And so y'all know I love tacos. I'm a Taco Tuesday enthusiast. My kids usually get a variation of this throughout the week, maybe a couple of times, because it's easy. So I thought we'd get really specific today and share some examples of ingredient meals that you could turn into 3 taco-inspired meals for like your lunch or dinner. So what you would do is prep these ingredients ahead of time. So, and then store them in containers in your fridge. So as far as protein goes, you can do chicken, ground beef, or turkey, and you season it like taco style. I personally don't buy taco seasoning. I do chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper, and I'll just add that to whatever type of protein I'm using, and it makes my own taco seasoning. A lot of times some of those taco seasonings have a lot of additives to it that I just don't want. So ground beef, turkey, season it, and also you could do black beans as well. Those are a really great source of protein and fiber, which we definitely need as ladies. Veggies, you could chop up some lettuce or just like get a bag of cabbage slaw, dice some tomatoes, or have like a can of Rotel ready to go. Peppers, onions, grilled or canned corn. Really, really easy. Then you can have all the extras, like a bag of shredded cheese, things of salsa, guac, hot sauce. I like getting those 90-second packages of rice where you could easily in a minute and a half. Cook up some rice, and then tortillas that store easily in the fridge, right? So one night you can do just like regular tacos, right? You can warm up those tortillas, fill it with some ground beef, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, salsa, boom, you're good to go. Another day you can do taco bowls. So you do rice, you top it with some black beans, some chicken, corn, roasted veggies, and guac on top. And then lastly, you can do like a taco salad, right? Maybe you have a bag of lettuce, dump it on a plate, top with some ground turkey, tomatoes, cheese. Maybe you can crush up some tortilla chips. Do like a really, like I like to do is take some Greek yogurt and put hot sauce in it and combine that. And you can almost do that as a topping on it as well. Get a little extra protein, but make it spicy, right? So that was easy, right? So all we did was prep some meat. We had some things in the fridge that were easy and ready to go to cut up. It's canned or in a bag already or frozen, and it makes it so much easier. You just have the ingredients ready and you can make different meals throughout the week. So I want you to think about using clear containers so you can see what is prepped, preferably glass. Label the items if you want to. Reheat your proteins, usually with a splash of broth. I always keep like some chicken broth on hand just to keep it still nice and juicy and so it doesn't dry out. And then play around with seasonings and sauces, right? You can make it like Chipotle. You can do this Asian inspired, right? I did all taco inspired, for example. You could do Greek inspired. There's a lot of different ways where you could cook these different proteins and make them like I said, Greek or Thai or Asian or Mexican style. And you are going to have a lot of variety that's not going to take up a lot of time and avoid that decision fatigue, right? So this has been a weekly habit for me that's been a game changer. I might not create all of these ingredients at the beginning of the week. I do a Monday grocery pickup every Monday. So I might make some of my protein Monday, and then Wednesday I'll cook up some more of my protein as well. It just depends on the week and what's going on in our evenings as well. And always make extra as an extra tip. That way you can create lunch leftovers as well. If you want more examples of some ingredient meals, you can go to bit.ly/ingredient meals. It's linked in the show notes. And you can grab my free download. I have 5 weeknight meal ideas for you, okay? All based on ingredient meals. I have a grocery list and how to prep everything. So this will help you support your goals and not take up a lot of time, right? I love this habit hack when it comes to our food freedom, and we don't have to keep overcomplicating it. We just have to think about habits differently as women, right? It's that atomic habits for women philosophy we talk about so much here on the show. So I hope today was useful. Please let me know. Come over and find me on Instagram at EmilyNichols22. Shoot me a DM. I love to hear from you, or you can always leave a review of the show here in iTunes. That means the world to me, and it also helps more women find the show. So I will catch you in the next episode. As always, I am rooting for you. I am so proud of you for listening to another episode of Habit Hack Your Health. I don't want you to just feel inspired, but I want you to go take action. To help you do that, go grab a free 7-day trial inside of the Training for Life app. This is habit-based fitness programming that you won't find anywhere else. A full fitness library with workouts programmed around what we need as midlife moms, and habit trainings and accountability community to help you stay consistent no matter what season of life that you're in. Go to trainingforlifeapp.com to start your free 7-day trial, and let's start training for life together. I'm so rooting for you, girl. I'll see you in the next episode.